Get DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Claude, because there is a new king in town, QWEN 2.5 Max. It's released by another Chinese company, Alibaba. In this video, we're going to see how to access this and also some of the really cool features. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. So look at this, the benchmark performance of QWEN, which is in red, with DeepSeek, Llama 3, GPT, Claude. It is outperforming, and it's truly multimodal AI platform, LLM, QWEN 2.5 Max. Now, let's look at, here's another benchmarking against some of the other LLMs, DeepSeek and Llama. They're way behind. Now, how do you access this? Not many people know, but really simple. You're going to go to this URL. Let me make sure you can see it. It's chat.qwenlm.ai. That's the URL. Sign up, and guess what? It is completely free. And what's really cool about QWEN is, first thing, you can, on top, you can select the model. Here's the latest one, 2.5 Max, and here are some of the other models. If you want to do a temp chat, not have it remember anything, you can turn that on. But let me show you some of the really cool features now. So if you look here, this QWEN chat can do web search, image generation, video generation, and also build like artifacts. This is kind of like a ChatGPT canvas or artifacts from Claude. And here are some templates. If you want to write code, click here and it will give you some suggestions. If you want to make plans, here you go. So to start some of the prompt ideas you can use from these templates. Here you go. You can create a web page, local restaurant, book club. This is amazing. All right. Now, let me show you some of the use cases that I've done. So I asked QWEN to tell me what's happening in the technology. It got me all the news articles. But this is multimodal. So you can give input, you can upload documents, you can upload images as input, and also you can generate those. So for example, look at this. So for image generation, my prompt was generate an image of a happy elderly couple sitting in a garden. Spelling mistake there, but it knew exactly what I was looking for. Look at the quality of that image. All right, so one LLM for text, code, images, and video. Here is another one. The first one was much better, but I like it. A business leader giving presentation to his team. So image generation. And then, are you ready for this? It also generates video. So here's the first prompt I gave, a young startup founder working on his laptop. And look at the quality of this video. Really neat. Then another one, a young lion walking in the jungle. This was a vertical video. And look at that. Amazing. You don't have to use multiple tools. One tool will do it for you. So let me go back, and you can right here, if you want to generate images, just select that. If you want to generate videos, select that. For web search, select that. So many different options. So for example, let's say we want to do artifacts. I want to say create a web page for a personal blog with HTML. And now it's going to start writing the code. And on this side, you'll see the artifacts. Let me resize this so you can see it better. So still working on the code. Let's give it a few seconds. And here you go. It took about 30 seconds, but it's done. So super simple and basic HTML, but you can imagine the possibilities. Write code, generate text, images, videos with just one platform. You don't need to use 4 different AI tools. One tool will do everything. So QWEN 2.5 Max from Alibaba. Let me actually show you the URL again. Here's the URL, chat.qwenlm.ai. Go sign up. It's completely free. Have fun. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.